guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ExitLag for Crossfire Philippines and the best settings to help lower your ping, reduce lag spikes, and improve your overall gaming experience. If you want to try ExitLag with a 1-year 50% discount, I have a link in the description where you can sign up. Let's get started. First, open your ExitLog and log into your account. Once you're inside the application, go to the Connection tab and click the Add button. Then search the Crossfire. Then I have to click the Crossfire Philippines. But if it's not available, select the Crossfire profile that matches your region. And you will be redirected into the server settings. Just click the Advanced Settings and set your TCP routes into 0 and UDP routes into 4. The route optimization will be select into high and the multipath routing will be enabled. Once you've configured the settings, click the apply routes and wait for the ExitLog to finish optimizing the connection. After the routes have been applied, launch Crossfire and log into your account as usual. If you're still experiencing lag or high ping, try switching between automatic and manual route selection and test a few different routes to see which one works best for your ISP. You can also close background applications, downloads, streaming services to help maintain a stable connection while gaming. And once you're in-game, check your ping and connection performance. You should notice fewer lag spikes, reduced packet loss, and smoother overall experience. Keep in mind that exit log cannot create true zero ping, but it can help optimize your route to the game server and provide the lowest possible latency available for your connection. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy a smoother Crossfire Philippines experience with ExitLog. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tutorials, optimization guides, and setup tips. And don't forget, if you want to try ExitLog with a 1-year 50% discount, check out the sign up link in the description below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.